Morning is the best time if you want to enjoy beauty of this place. Can hear birds chirping and enjoy the beautiful sunrise. Hey everyone, this is Sunita. Let me show you view from our balcony. Early morning when you wake up and see the view, it's magical. We are watching most beautiful sunrise. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. When we reached our hotel, that time it's already started raining and we enjoyed our this year's first rain. This hotel, the View Munnar, is not in actually in Munnar. It's approximately 14 kilometer away from Munnar. It's in NHL and it takes around 33 minutes, 35 minutes to reach this hotel. On the way, we enjoy a very beautiful view of mountains and tea estate. On the way, you can visit many sightseeing places like Munnar sightseeing is divided into 4 routes and Cochin Highway is one of them. You can visit Second Mile viewpoint. After that, from main road you have to come inside by Munnar bypass, and from bypass road you can visit Kalari Kshetra, hot air balloon activity, all spices garden. Then if you have time you can visit Dreamland activity, then Wonder Valley is there, zipline activities there, many points, many sightseeing this side. And if you are going to Cochin Highway, that side you can visit many waterfalls, but this is summer time so we are not visiting any waterfall. And we reached at our hotel, the View Munnar, and this hotel will be our home for next 4 days. This time we choose basic budget amenity hotel, and first thing is because of budget. Next is like we want 4 days stay, and usually what happens if we are going for some luxurious resort, we are not getting time to explore the activities they are provided, and after sightseeing it's very tiring. This is the reception area, and near to reception area they have few games activity like carom, chess and all. We got our room on 5th floor, and this is our room. I will give you quick room tour. This is their deluxe valley room with valley view, and it having basic sit out area this side. One teepot is there and 2 chairs are there, a very basic one, and one bed is there, queen size bed is there. I think it's sufficient for 2 people and one baby. Then next we want extra bed, so they have given one extra bed, and basic like TV is there, some few tables are there, extra tables are there, one chair is there, and this is a wardrobe cupboard having enough area for 4 people, and this is washroom area. This room is quite enough for four family of 4 people. Room is pretty good, and why we choose this hotel? For that main reason is this room's or this hotel's balcony view. Let me show you view from this balcony. It's afternoon time and look at the view from our balcony. We never expected from such budget hotel we'll get such beautiful view, and really it's we amazed with this beautiful valley view. This room is really nice with comfortable bed and with very good view. Balcony having sit out area. Not balcony is not that big, but it's really good to enjoy the view morning, evening and night view. I will give you overview of this property, and this is common area where you can come in the morning, evening and night also to enjoy the view and surrounding. You can sit here and enjoy the view from here also. It's beautiful, and look around, it's like jungle area only, like you can sometime you can see few monkeys wandering around you. Actually our room is on 5th floor, but like it's down valley, inside the valley 5 floor. It's like we are on top of the 10th or 11th floor, like that we are getting view from our room. They have in-house restaurant, and which is we have to go, I think basement, like that. It's down valley side, and view from a restaurant also very good. We have tasted our lunch there, and now we are going to have our breakfast. This is first day we are going to taste our breakfast. And this is restaurant area. For breakfast they have buffet system, and which is complimentary. For lunch and dinner you can order basic on your interest or according to food you want, food of your choice. We had very heavy breakfast here. In breakfast, idlis, puris, then curries and eggs, then bread butter for kids, and they have tea also. Even first day we had like watermelon juice. Kids also enjoy the food. We also enjoy the food. Less spicy and less oily. Really good. I'll give 10 out of the 10 for food. Now let me show you. They have cottages also. Cottages like same like deluxe room but little bit bigger in size, and they're having a little bigger balcony. I think more bigger balcony. So we are planning to shift to deluxe valley room to this cottages, and it having quite a big balcony to play. Kids can play and enjoy here in the night. And view from this cottage is also very beautiful. Around greenery you can see, and room is also bigger size. So we are planning to shift here also like basic things, and they have bed, basic amenities, bathroom, everything is there. Let me show you. This is the cottages. They have like down like steps wise cottages they have, and let me show you. Our room is on 5th floor. We enjoyed our dinner here, and for dinner also delicious. We got North Indian style food here. For Kerala style we tasted few dishes, but not that authentic taste we got here, and food was really delicious. You can enjoy here. After our dinner we were taking just walk down, and I found while going down cottages little bit tough to go down. For elderly ones I'll suggest not go for cottages. You can go for the deluxe room or any other room in this hotel. It's really good. And this is the view outside of the hotel, and look at this Dreamland. It just 200-meter, just 1 minute walk only to go to Dreamland activity. And we are planning at the 4th day of our trip will go to this Dreamland activity. And this is night view from our room, and this is morning view from our room. We enjoyed sunrise, we enjoyed sunset, we enjoyed night also here. Really beautiful. And next day we had our breakfast that was literally very heavy, and I didn't expect this much items will be there in breakfast. And we tasted a few Kerala food. We got this pineapple juice, and it was like mixed North Indian and South Indian style food. So the food was really enjoyable. Stay was really good here. We visited many nearby places, nearby sightseeing, and this hotel is really value for money, worth to stay. Staff is really friendly. We enjoyed our full stay, and we heard that birds chirping, especially Malabar thrush singing. First though we thought it's like some human being whistling, but after getting same sound again and again every day, we just inquired with locals, and they told it's more Malabar thrush singing. It's really amazing. This is first time experience, and we enjoyed our stay. Kids also enjoy. After seeing this video, I'm sure you would like to stay here and enjoy the view. This is the one of the best place. Surrounding is so busy but still peaceful. Everything is neat and tidy. I can't take off my eyes from this view. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Explore Munnar. Stay with us. We will take you must visit places in our next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Take care.